Hi! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. It's me again, Teacher Lovell, on my Teacher Lovell channel on YouTube. But before that, kung bago pa lang po tayo sa ating channel, huwag po kalimutan. Salamat! Alright, so this time, we're going to discuss the nature and roots of the quadratic equation. Ito po. Now, paano po natin malalaman ang nature of roots of the quadratic equation? We are going to get the nature of roots using the discriminant equation. Okay, so ito po yung discriminant equation niya. This one. Makikita po natin ito sa loob ng quadratic formula. Yung sa loob ng radical sign po. Yan po natin makikita. Alright, we will go directly to our discussion. Okay. Determine or describe the nature of the roots. So, ano po ba yung mga nature of the roots na tinatawag natin? First, yan po yung mga tinatawag nating real numbers. Ano po ba yung mga real numbers? Yung mga real numbers, yung mga numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, then negative 1, 2, 3, lahat po ng numbers are real except po sa negative square root ng mga number. Yung negative, just like this, okay, negative 6. Ito po, hindi po ito real numbers dahil ito po nagre-represent ng imaginary numbers po or I, kumbaga. Okay, we are going to describe the nature of roots of, okay, this one. Okay, ang una pong gagawin natin ay kukunin po natin yung value ng A, B, and C na nanggaling po sa ating standard form of quadratic equation. So, means, yung A po natin dito ay yung coefficient number ng quadratic term natin. So, dito po, meaning if there is no number here, kung wala pong numero dito, meaning meron pong 1 na nakatago. Okay. Pero, hindi lang po natin sinusulat. So, kukunin natin yung value ng A, 1. Okay, dito po siya, 1 po ito. And then our B, ito po, negative 4. And then our C is positive 4. Now, we are going to write our discriminant equation upang malaman po natin yung nature of roots niya mamaya. So, ito po yung equation natin. Ito po. Now, we are going to substitute all of this into our discriminant equation so that malalaman po natin mamaya. So, yung B natin is this one. So, change this B into negative 4, then enclose that one. Copy the negative sign, then 4 again. Yung A po natin is 1. Okay, right there. Yung C po natin is 4. Alright. There you go. Okay, now, i-evaluate na po natin. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Okay? Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 4 again is negative still 16. So, subtract 16 minus 16 is 0. Now, tingnan po natin ito. If our nature of roots or roots is 0, then therefore, our nature of root, if our roots is 0, this will become now real numbers. Okay, real numbers and are real numbers and are equal if ito po yung magiging sagot sa ating discriminant. Okay. Alright, so ito na po yung second example natin. Now again, yun pa rin po yung gagawin natin. Okay, get the values of A. Our A here is 1 again. Our B is positive 7. And our C is positive 10. Okay, yan na po. Now, substitute all of this into your discriminant equation. So that your B again is 7. So, okay. That one. Next, minus 4. Yung A natin still 1. And yung C natin is 10. Okay, now i-evaluate na po natin. 7 squared means 7 times 7. Hindi po 7 times 2 ha. This is 7 times 7 is 49. Now, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 10 is negative 40. Subtract po. 49 minus 40 is 9. Okay, notice na naman na ang ating nature of roots, yung ating sagot is 9, which is greater than 0 and a perfect square number. Ito po yung nature of roots niya. So, rational numbers and are not equal. Meaning, yung roots po natin, x of 1 and x of 2, hindi po magkatulad. Ito na po yung pangatlong example. Pupunin po natin yung value na a. A is 1 again. Our b is positive 6. And our c is equal to positive 3. Okay, then all of this substitute to your equation. Your b is 6. 6 then squared. Okay? Then minus sign, copy 4. Your a natin is 1. Enclose 1. Yung c natin is 3. Ito po. 6 times 6. This will become 36. Then, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Times 3 is still negative 12. Now, subtract this one. 36 minus 12 is 24. Now, ang sagot po natin ay 24. Now, to describe the nature of roots of 24, and 24 is greater than 0 but not a perfect square number. So, the nature of roots are, ito na po, irrational numbers but are not equal. Okay, ito na po yung last example natin. For A, 5. Okay, after that, write again your discriminant equation. Substitute all of this to your equation. Okay, then evaluate na po natin. 2 times 2 po ito ha. Multiply by itself twice. Then this is 4. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Times 5 will become negative 20. Now, subtract po. 4 minus 20 is negative 16. Alright. Since negative 16 po yung ating sagot, then therefore, our nature of roots has no real roots. It has no real roots. So, bakit no real roots po? Kasi, yung discriminant po natin ay negative 16, this is less than 0. So, yung mga sagot ng ating x of 1 and x of 2 sa roots po natin, yung mga negative numbers na nasa loob po ng ating radical. Yun po sila. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.